हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द स्टाइलिश स्क्वाड। अब हमारे बहुत सारे वीडियोस में नोटिस किए होंगे कि वी कंटिन्यूसली कीप एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस। एक्सरसाइज कीजिए, घर के एक्सरसाइजेज, और बहुत रिसेंटली हमने एक वर्कआउट वीडियो भी रिलीज़ किया था जिसमें हमने बताया था कि घर पे आप कैसे बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइज वेरिएशंस आप कर सकते हैं। विच मीन्स वी एट स्टाइलिश स्क्वाड आर कमिटेड टू हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस, और आगे बहुत सारी वीडियोज़ में यू विल गेट टू नो अबाउट इट। अब फिटनेस के लिए बहुत सारे लोग जिम जाते हैं एंड जिम जाना आजकल बहुत कॉमन चीज़ हो गई है। सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंटली इट इज़ अफोर्डेबल, इट इज़ ईजिली एक्सेसिबल। बहुत सारे घरों के पास ही आपको नंबर ऑफ जिम्स, जो बहुत वैराइटीज़, इट कुड बी फिजिकल फिटनेस, मेंटल फिटनेस, योगा, हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज़ बहुत सारे अवेलेबल हैं आजकल। जैसे अब कोई भी इवेंट के लिए आप प्रिपेयर करते हैं, वैसे जिम के लिए भी प्रिपेयर करना इज़ ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट। सो इन टुडेज़ वीडियो with the stylish squad, we are going to talk to you about what are few of the gym essentials that we recommend. There could be a lot more things that you really would want to take along with yourself to the gym in terms of nutrition, food, attire, but in today's video we will talk to you about what are the few things that we strongly recommend, like the must-haves for gym essentials. सबसे पहले to start with, what's important is for you to have a gym bag. अब जिम बैग का साइज़ आप चूज़ कीजिए, डिपेंड्स ऑन द नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू वांट, बट आइडियली आई वुड रिकमेंड अ गुड ईजी टू कैरी स्मॉल साइज जिम बैग जिसमें आपके एसेंशियल्स आ सकते हैं। नाउ लेट्स गो एंड फाइंड आउट इन माई जिम बैग व्हाट आर द फ्यू थिंग्स दैट आई यूजुअली हैव एज माई मस्ट हैव। अब सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो चीज़ मैं हमेशा नोटिस करता हूँ, आप मेरे बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स और इमेजेस में, वीडियोस में देखे होंगे, लाइक व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ, आई ऑलवेज प्रेफर वेयरिंग अ जैकेट। सो हैविंग अ नाइस सॉफ्ट जैकेट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू। आप नोटिस किए होंगे जब भी आप वर्कआउट करते हैं, योर बॉडी नेचुरली बिकम्स रियली हॉट एंड वार्म, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न वाई अ नेचुरल बायोलॉजिकल रिएक्शन इज़ यू स्टार्ट टू स्वेट. Now, while your body is nicely warmed up, you finished a good workout session and you're still sweating, you decide to get out of your gym, maybe get into your car, switch on the AC, or in your two-wheeler you start to ride, or you even walk back home as well. जब वो हवा आपके बॉडी को लगता है, there are chances and there are high chances that you will fall ill. And that's why the most important recommended thing, your trainers would recommend this, or any of your masters would recommend this, to always wear a jacket. Now, it's a natural phenomena when you work out, you sweat, right? So it's important you keep yourself dry as well to avoid any kind of injuries. So having a simple, nice towel, hand towel, a small one, always helps. I've seen a lot of people tucking it out into their pants or just having it on their shoulders. They use it while they're working out as well. They use it to wipe the place that they're actually working out. So a hand towel has a lot more uses inside the gym. So please keep this and ensure you're keeping yourself dry, because you don't want to get injured when you have sweaty palms, sweaty face and you're trying to work out. The next and the most important thing, and I've told you about in my previous videos as well, I always have a hand sanitizer with me. Like I said, cleanliness is important. Gym एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ it's a public place, a lot of people come and use that. You would want to keep yourself clean and hygienic as well. So I always keep a hand sanitizer because I'm used to using a lot of hand sanitizer. I keep a bigger bottle. बट अगर आपको लगता है कि एक छोटा सा पॉकेट साइज भी जो मिलता है मार्केट में, आप वो भी लेके रख सकते हैं, बट इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ हैंड सैनिटाइजर इनसाइड योर जिम बैग. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई ऑलवेज कीप इन माई जिम बैग इज अ सिंपल फेस वॉश. Now, sweat is known as a very common reason for acne, especially when you're working out, your pores are open, and if you don't clean your face, then it causes acne, which is the last thing that you would want, especially when you're trying to look stylish, you're trying to look classy. So having a face wash that suits your skin best, and just going ahead the moment you're done with your workout, using a face wash, cleaning up your face. If you can shower, most of the gym have that facility of taking a shower, then a shower is recommended. If not, just wash your face and you're good and clean and you're out of that gym. The next thing that most of the times I use is, in case I have a gym where I work out outdoor as well as indoor, I have this habit of keeping a sunscreen lotion with me. So if you are used to working outdoors or indoors, any kind of workout or high intensity interval trainings, using a sunscreen lotion always helps. Like we've always been telling you, keeping yourself healthy also requires you to take care of your personal hygiene and taking care of your skin as well. So a sunscreen lotion always helps. Basic essentials: you've taken a shower, you've just had your face wash and everything is done, having a deodorant and also a perfume. right? You can keep a simple nice perfume and a deodorant that actually helps you out. It lets you smell good. We all understand that sweat causes odor, body odor. If you're not able to keep yourself clean with a shower immediately after workout, spray some deodorant, spray some perfumes. You can go ahead and watch our perfume video where we talk about your pulse points and which are the areas that you can actually perfume. Spray the perfume, which will give you a long lasting result. Use that perfume and you'll be all fine, and people are going to actually enjoy your company after your workout as well. One of the most preferred workout for most of the people is using a treadmill or a cycle or a cross trainer. जब आप ये सब चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं to work out, you naturally sweat a lot because these are best form of cardio as well. Now with that sweat, what happens is you don't realize, but your feet sweat too. And that's why it's important to always keep a pair of socks in your gym bag. Firstly, you don't want your feet to smell because of sweat and odor, and because you're wearing shoes which have covered your feet, you don't want your feet to smell. And the second and the most important thing, which is related to injury, is if you're wearing socks which are already soaked in sweat and you don't have the habit of changing them, if you're not changing them, that results to injury. You're going to slip on that treadmill, your shoes are going to come off, and these are common injuries that people face. So have a different pair of socks as an emergency, and I would always recommend you to go ahead and change it every single time you're going to work out extensively. The next thing that I always keep in my gym bag is my wallet, but if not for the wallet, some cash is also required. You never know, right? I mean, you're in your two-wheeler, it may cause a puncture, या आपको refuel करना है, या आपको कुछ खाने पीने का मन कर रहा है. If you want some essentials to take back home, having some cash, I'm not saying a lot of cash inside your gym bag, but even depending on your need, अगर आप थोड़ा सा cash अगर रखते हैं for emergency, it is always recommended to have that in your gym bag. Most important thing that you should always have in your gym bag is a sipper bottle. Now, I can't stress enough कि पानी कितना important होता है, especially when you're working out as well. I personally prefer drinking at least 3 to 4 liters of water during my peak days of working out, and I always keep my sipper bottle as well. This works in a lot of factors. अब मैं इसमें पानी भी पी सकता हूँ. I'm used to taking nutrition as well immediately after I work out or during my workout as well, which is BCAA or glucon D, as a few of you would take it as well. But I have this with a pouch. आपको ये ऑनलाइन बहुत सस्ते में मिल जाएगा. This pouch helps me in also storing some protein as well, which I prefer taking immediately after workout. So having a sipper bottle which helps you in aid of that water content for yourself and also your nutrition. Now we're going to prepare another exclusive video where we're going to talk about how nutrition is going to help you as well. So stay tuned to see that video, which is going to come soon. Like I said, you've been using a gym towel to continuously keep wiping your face. You have your face wash which can just clean up your face as well. If you're using a sunscreen lotion, or you can also have a moisturizer which can just moisturize your skin. It's also important to have a lip balm which will help your lips also equally moisturize, and it gives that nutrition to your lips as well. So a lip balm is the most important thing you can have. And finally, I know a lot of people prefer going without a gym glove, but I would always recommend that if you're comfortable and if you really lift some heavy weights, gym glove बहुत important है. It's reasonable, it's not very expensive, you don't have to go buy some real expensive gloves, but gym gloves आप please use कीजिए अगर आपको लगता है कि it's important for you to keep your palms nice and safe. And the last thing that I would want all of you to keep is, if you're sweating a lot and if you really want to keep yourself dry, of course a towel helps, but having a wristband or a sweatband that it is commonly called on your wrist, which you can keep wiping. You would have seen a lot of tennis players and cricket players use this. तो आप भी अगर आप workout कर रहे हो और आपको लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा sweat कर रहे हैं, you like to keep yourself dry, have a wristband or a sweatband which will always help you keep yourself dry. And finally, if you really look forward to having a lot more things, I know people prefer having their protein powder or their BCAA boxes as well in the gym bag. So for that you'll need a bigger bag as well. So please go ahead and have that as well, which is fine. You would want to just carry quantity limited to that particular day and not for the entire month, right? You would not want to have unnecessary stuff in your gym bag as well. And also people prefer taking shower immediately after their gym workouts, so they keep a pair of clothes, extra pair of shoes for emergency, a mobile phone charger. So आप ये सब basic चीज़ें भी include कर सकते हैं, for which you just need to have a bigger gym bag with you. That's it guys. I hope this essentials of your gym bag was really helpful to you. अगर आप और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपने gym bag में prefer करते हैं तो please drop in at our comment section below and let us know what are the few things that you also keep in addition to what we spoke. But if you're one of those who've just started going out to work out at the gym, and if you're now planning to really lead a healthy lifestyle, the essentials that we spoke about, try these things out and let us know if you found it really helpful. And if you found this video helpful, you know the drill. Go ahead and share this video with your friends and your gym mates as well. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel because there are a lot more in store. The videos that we are going to bring to you on gym and fitness and nutrition that are coming your way. Thank you very much for watching this video. Look forward to seeing you again in the next one.